Ways to fix cracks in your old door panels. If you got an old bug, maybe you've got this problem right here. See that crack? You just thought of this just now, so sorry. I thought, well, I should make a video of this because somebody's going to have the same problem. So, you get a crack like that, you buy this material right here. The place that has this stuff is called J&J Auto Fabrics. So, this is real thin cardboard stuff they sell. They have it at, like I say, J&J Auto Fabrics and Rialto. I've been going there for 30 plus years. The owner, his name's Joe. I guess he's getting pretty old though, so you know he might not be here. So tell him how much you appreciate him next time you see him. So, but you get this stuff here, and it's a thin cardboard. I forget what the name of it is. But they sell it at Upholstery Supply. And then what you do is you just squirt it with a bunch of glue. I'm using this one here. I don't like the 3M one very much. This is a spray way. Also, you can use the Weldwood, this stuff here, but they stopped carrying it for some reason. This stuff comes in 16-ounce cans, or you can use this stuff if you want to brush it on. It's even better. You also could use wood glue or epoxy, but the reason I like this glue is because it's a contact adhesive. It's pretty fast, and you're always working with the same adhesives when you're doing upholstery. So if you're doing any upholstery other work, you're going to want to have this stuff around anyway. So then you'll kind of let it to the point where it's pretty dry, but not completely rock hard dry. Dry to, you know, if it's too dry, it won't really stick together. And then you can kind of push it down. What I do then is I'll actually clamp it. Use spring clamps. You can use a C clamp. I'm going to use that too. You don't want anything that's too tight, and if you put something on the upholstery side, you might want to put a piece of cloth on there or something. Just let this set for a few hours. Let it dry really good. That glue would really adhere really well. And then these things help too. Little fellas here. And let that dry really good, and then it'll kind of strengthen those cracks up. And the reason you want to use this thinner material is because you know you don't want it to bulge out when you go to put it back on, especially in a VW. There's just no room. There's probably not even enough room for this to work, but just barely enough. You know, there's no tolerance extras. So I'm going to fix this pocket on this thing. I'll show you how to make that in another video. I actually found some material that's pretty close color, which is, wow, amazing. And it's like the end of the run, of course. None left. So I got some really cool stuff coming up for this green bug. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.